In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use a new feature within Kaltura to request captioning for videos. If you're not familiar with Kaltura, Kaltura is UAB's multimedia content management system. So this is the tool we would like you to use to upload and store any videos, audio files, or even YouTube videos. To access Kaltura, you'll click on the My Media link within your course, and this can be in any course. Clicking on that My Media link will bring up any content that you have added to Kaltura in any course. If you've never accessed Kaltura before, the first time you click on this My Media tab, you'll be asked to authorize or authenticate your profile. To add content, click on the Add New button, and you'll see you can upload your media. It does have a capture tool. You can add a YouTube link, or you can create a video quiz. There are several reasons that we recommend uploading all of your media into Kaltura. One is to save space within your course, as those different file types do take up the limited space that you have within your course. And the other is so that you can view analytics for these files. If you have any questions about uploading media, accessing Kaltura, or viewing analytics, please contact the SHP Instructional Design and Support Department. Beginning in the summer of 2019, some additional features were added to Kaltura. And so again, today we're going to look at how to request captioning within Kaltura. We'll do this by first clicking on the video that we want captions for. And then in the right corner where it says Actions, we'll click there and you'll see a Captions Requests button. Click on Order. Machine captioning is our only option. It does allow you to select a language and then hit Submit. You can see here that captions have already been requested for this particular video, but when you hit Submit on your video, it will notify you that your request has been received. And then once the request has been completed, you can see the status of this request was that it's completed. You will also receive an email that will look like this, letting you know that your caption request has finished processing. So now when I click on my video, this quick video tutorial will show you how to get started recording lectures. We can see that the captions have already been embedded within the video. Now, because this is machine captioning, it is not 100% accurate. There will inevitably be some mistakes, but fixing those mistakes is also fairly simple. To edit your captions, we're just going to go to Actions, Edit. We have these different tabs here, so we're going to go to our Captions tab, and then you'll see an Edit Captions button. That will pull up this editor, and you can see the time code that's associated with each line of text. Just click on the one that you would like to edit. So here I see a mistake. I need to take out this word dot and actually add a dot. And now it is updated within the captions on my video. Let's undo that. And if there happens to be a word that you've used multiple times and it has created the same error over and over, we can come up here to search within captions and then tell it what to replace it with in each of those instances. If it were a word of a software or a body part or something that the machine did not recognize, that would be a much easier fix. That is a way to find all of those instances and replace them very quickly. Once you've made all of your changes to your captions, we'll just come up here and click Save. Say that yes, we are sure we want to save all of those changes. And now we can see that the captioning has been updated on our video. Be sure to come down here and save any changes that you've made. And I'll also very quickly show you how to embed this video onto a page. So we'll go to our modules. We'll add that one to our Getting Started module. So I'm just going to come here, say Add New Page. We'll call this one Zoom Tutorial. So this doesn't always have to be on a brand new page. If you have an existing page that you want to add your video to, you can do that as well. We're going to click on Edit. Anywhere that your cursor is on the page. So if this page already had additional text, and again, I'm just adding it to what's already there, just be aware that wherever the cursor is where the video will be embedded. Find this blue arrow, which is More External Tools, and Embed Kaltura Media should be the very first item to select. Clicking on that again is going to bring up all of the media that you have added to Kaltura. We simply click Embed. Our video is now added to our page. Again, we can continue to add other items. We can even add multiple videos on a page just by repeating that same process of going to More External Tools, selecting Embed Kaltura Media, and selecting an additional video. Once you've made any changes that you want to your page, click on Save. And now your students have their video embedded directly onto the page with the captions viewable. Students do have the option to turn these captions off by clicking on this CC button within the media player. They can just select off and the captions will go away. Students should also be aware that clicking on these arrows will make it full screen. Hopefully that at least gets you a step closer to having your videos captioned. We do recommend having all videos within your course captioned and/or with a transcript to make sure that they are accessible for all students. Again, if you have any additional questions, please contact the IDS department at idshelp@uab.edu.